Hi friends, today I want to show you the product that I just received today that came in this box. And as you can see, this packet contains these pieces are for install your earring holder that have the form of a unicorn that I think that is gorgeous and it's a beautiful gift for a girl, for your daughter, your sister. As you can see, this is so easy. Came with this cable for the charge that is USB. So I'm gonna use this charger that I already have in my home. Connecting connection. So now we're just gonna open this part and have like a plastic protection. So you're gonna turn it off. So as I say, this holder have this unicorn form, and you have just to put it in this part. And it's so easy to turn it on, turn it off, using making soft touches in this part. This holder have 9 modes of light difference and 7 different colors also. So I think that is beautiful and looks perfect in your room or the room of your little girl. And you just have to push softly for 3 seconds and turn it off. So let's go try it. I have my earrings here. So as you can see, your earrings will look just like this, so organized, and with this light will see beautiful in your room. So I highly recommend it for you, or like a gift for your daughter, sister, friends, whatever. I highly recommend it. See you.